Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Gerber Oatmeal single grain cereal. This was the first food that I ever gave my son. He was about 4 or 5 months old at this point, and the doctor said I could start giving him some solids. He said oatmeal or like rice cereal would be perfect. Everyone knows Gerber. Gerber has been around for a very long time. Just be sure to check my video description for more information on Gerber Oatmeal single grain cereal. So this has iron in it, which is great. It helps support learning ability. And this is the #1 pediatrician recommended brand for infant cereal. It's one of the supported Sitter First Foods. And it is non-GMO, project verified. This is a 16-ounce container. Now you can buy a smaller one, but I just went for the 16-ounce ones because I know that like I give it to my son basically every day for breakfast. So I needed the bigger size. It tells you here calories are 60, 10 carbohydrates, 1 gram of fat. And then it tells you it has some vitamin B6, folate, calcium, 65 milligrams. The ingredients: whole grain oat flour and whole grain oat flour, and oat flour contains wheat, potassium, phosphate. Then it has vitamins and minerals in it, and it contains wheat. So of course, if your child is allergic to wheat, you don't want to give this to them. It has iron for brain development, so that's really good for developing your baby's brain. And of course, you know, you want to make sure your child is getting enough iron. So it says right now your little one needs iron to help support learning ability and healthy brain development. Just 2 servings of Gerber infant cereal meets your baby's daily iron needs. Has simple goodness, no artificial flavors or colors. And then it tells you here your baby, this is how to know when your baby might be ready for cereal, even if your pediatrician didn't tell you. If they sit with help or support, if they're on their tummy and push up on their arms with straight elbows, or lean towards the spoon with an open mouth and curiosity. So when I gave this to my son, obviously I made sure like he was able to hold his own head up, and I started giving it to him in the high chair. And then it tells you here how to make it. So completely cooked and ready to serve. You just have to add liquid, very simple. So you don't even really have to necessarily warm this. You don't, like, especially if you're out and you don't have a microwave or something like that. But I usually will like microwave it for my son for about 20 seconds in the microwave and make it a little bit warm for him. Of course, always test it before you give it to them because you don't want to burn their mouth. So it says baby's first cereal feeding. Mix 1 tablespoon of cereal with 4 or 5 tablespoons of breast milk or infant formula. So my son was formula fed by 5 months, so I just mixed it with infant formula. He's now 19 months, and I mix it with whole milk. So easy to mix directions: pour desired amount of cereal in the bowl, stir in liquid breast milk or infant formula to desired consistency, serve as is or warm in the microwave. That's what I do. Always test temperature before feeding and discard any unfed cereal. So microwave guidelines for heating: warm, unheated, liquid, and medium. 50% power for 15 to 30 seconds. Mix the heated liquid with cereal. Stir it to even out the temperature, and then test the temperature before feeding. Then it tells you here to store in a cool, dry place and use within 30 days after opening. So don't buy the bigger size if you think you're not going to go through it in 30 days. And then the packaging is like easy to open. It says like this easy to pour spout. And that's what it looks like. It's like little small grains, perfect for tiny mouths to eat. So you just pour it into the bowl. Mix. If you want to make it like thick, you can. Like now my son's 19 months, so I do make it thick. At first I made it very thin and like soupy almost, because he wasn't used to eating off the spoon and like swallowing any solids. So that's totally up to you. You can make it as thick or thin as you want by adding more or less milk. So guys, this was my video of Gerber Oatmeal single grain cereal. I recommend this for your little baby's first solid food. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. I really appreciate it, you guys, and I hope you all have a great day.